Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save game files and config file in Pragmata on PC. Just follow these steps carefully. Let's get started. First, open File Explorer. Now follow this path step by step. Open the C drive. Open the Program Files x86 folder. Open the Steam folder. Open the User Data folder. Open your Steam User folder. Open the folder 3357650. Open Remote. Open the Win64 save folder. Inside this folder, you will find your Pragmata save game files. Now let's find the config file. Open Steam. Go to your library. Find Pragmata. Right-click it and select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click on Browse. This will open the game installation folder. Now locate and double-click the config file. This file contains your game settings and configuration. That's it. That's everything you need to know to find your save and config files. Now you can back up, transfer, or edit your files if needed. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.